What's up, man? Hey, man. 1/3 halfway down from the 90 hard, day 60, man. $100 push-ups minimum, 60 days straight. That's 6,000 push-ups, man. Started before 2026 and we keep on going. Not a day missing. Even on YouTube, posting every day. Some of my videos got 0 views, some of them got 5, 6, got 20, and I still am going. 1 like, 1 view ain't gonna make me stop or ain't gonna make me keep going to do something different. I'm staying disciplined and I'm having structure. If you can say the same, give yourself a hand clap, man. 2026, we gonna pick something for us and we gonna stay to it. Let's get this first set in, man. Yeah, man, this shit feel good, man. I'm telling you, it feel good when you pick yourself and you stand to it. You 10 toes down on what you tell yourself. No matter what's going on the outside, no matter how many birthday parties you miss, how many club gatherings you miss, how many friends' birthdays you miss. Hey, man, we showing up for us. That's it. 2026 is the year for us. Now, in this video, I'm gonna talk about 3 things or 3 ways you can change your situation right now. First is dealing with the mindset. You deal what I'm saying? The second is dealing with your habits. You deal what I'm saying? And the third is based on your decisions. If you conquer or master them, you can change your situation right now, this year, and then also start chasing whatever you want to chase. Let's start out with the mindset. You got to change your perception on how you view things. Based on the past experience of how we used to live our life, we can't keep having the same vision to how we used to have when we viewing certain things. We can't look at entrepreneurship the same. We can't look at friendship the same. We can't look at religion the same. And we most definitely can't look at the government the same. Some of y'all waiting on taxes and praying the government do right by your taxes, don't charge you too much, make sure they release the funds on time so y'all can go spending and have fun, take trips and shit. But you also got to understand, when that tax money hit, if you ain't planning on to invest or to start something new, you're going to repeat the same cycle that you've been repeating every tax season. You're going to get you a house. If you already ain't got one, you're going to pay your bills up. If you ain't already did it, you're going to pay your car note, your car insurance up. If you don't got a car, you're going to go buy a car. Hopefully you don't finance and go get a cash car that can save gas. They got enough space that you can take a mechanic to look at so you don't have no pop-up mechanic problem. But most of y'all going to spend y'all money on the same shit you spend your money on every year. You ain't trying to do nothing different. You're too scared to take a leap and invest in some stocks. You're too scared to invest in the Bitcoin. You're too scared to invest in trading, day trading. You're too scared to do anything that you haven't learned. So before you do anything about making plans to spend that money, hold that money for 30 days minimum. 30 days minimum. And come up with you a plan to, okay, if I'm getting 10,000, 2,500 minimum of this 10,000 need to go sit somewhere so I can accumulate more money. So I can just live off the interest, and not basically live off the interest, but whatever the 25 make, 5% a month, 10% a month, 8% a month, whatever that percentage is, you can start using that percentage to allocate to something else. You did what I'm saying? 2026, we ain't gonna repeat the same shit we did in 2024 and 2025. We trying to do something new. Okay, as we understand, you gotta do something new to see something new. Meaning, you gotta do something different to get something different. You gotta be willing to do something you never done to get something you never had. But something you really want bad enough, you will be willing to sacrifice anything to get where you want to be. And that's what 2026 is going to be held up with, sacrificing. And that's the mindset. You got to be willing to control your mindset to understand you really not missing out on nothing. How can you go to a club and you feel like you missing out when you only got $100 or $200? You can't even pay for the VIP parking. You deal what I'm saying? You can't even pay for valet. You can't even go in there and get you a VIP section. You can't even go get the bottle you really want to drink because you limited. But you still thinking in your mind you finna go have some fun. Limited fun is not fun. You still trapped in the box because you're not doing what you really want to do at the levels you want to do it. So why even go do it? Fall back until you get your money big enough to where you can go do all you want to do, when you want to do it, how you want to do it, with whoever you want to do it with. and then one of your friends ain't got enough money, you can pay for it and don't even ask for no refund or ask for no payback because that's how big your bag is. You know what I mean? We gonna lead by example. We ain't trying to follow no trend, we gonna set a trend. And one trend we gonna set is putting ourselves first, being obedient to the Most High, and we gonna follow and lead with gratitude. You dig what I'm saying? Let's get this second set in, man. That's what we gonna do. Fuck what everybody else doing. Fuck trying to be liked. Fuck trying to be applauded. We don't need all that right now. If we ain't clapping up for ourselves, fuck whoever else clapping for us. We appreciate the applause. We appreciate all the congratulations. But we ain't done yet. We just not getting started. You dig what I'm saying? I'm on day 60. 30 days away from my finish line. And I feel like I'm just not getting started. You probably haven't even started yet. So how do you feel? You dig what I'm saying? Let's go, man. 2026 gonna be the year of the underdog. We gonna win. We going big. We don't give a fuck about what the next person doing or what the next person not doing. You did. I care, but I can't physically stop doing what I'm doing to make sure you doing what you doing. No, that's why I'm posting every day on YouTube. If you feel like you need some motivation, some inspiration, come tap in to my videos. You see, every day I don't got the energy to do what I'm doing, but I'm showing up. Every day my energy is not high as it should be. My message is not clear as it should be, but I'm showing up. I'm not perfect. I messed up on my words. I messed up with the editing. I messed up with the thumbnails. Some videos don't get no views, and I still show up every day. It's not about the output, it's about the input. What is you willing to put in? How much you willing to put in to get what you need to get on the outside? You dig what I'm saying? Like and share this video, man. Comment if you need me to speak on a certain topic, or you feel like whatever topic I spoke on and I said something wrong or something you don't understand, leave a comment. You dig what I'm saying? Let's go back and forth. Iron sharpen iron. You help me, I help you. You dig what I'm saying? I got a lot of information based on my real life experiences that I can speak on that maybe help you with your life experiences. You may be going through something right now in your life that I've been went through, and vice versa. I may be just stepping into something that you've been finished years ago. So if you got any insight, any information that you feel you can leave in the comment and help me, leave it in the comment. Like I said, I'm not offering no product right now. No courses, no ebook, no none of that right now. You sharing my video, you liking my video, you commenting, it's just gonna make the algorithm push my videos out to more people that need this information. You don't gotta pay me just yet. Show me some love by reposting, sharing, liking, commenting. And if you don't, you still show me love because you viewing this comment. You viewing this video. I appreciate it. You dig what I'm saying? Sometimes you can put in 1,000% and only get 10% back, but that don't mean you quit. That don't mean what you're doing not working. That means what you're doing just need to keep on going. And keep on going until that momentum hit. And when that momentum hit, you already got the feeling to keep on going with no results. So when you see results, you just gonna wanna push harder. My videos will get better with the editing. My videos will get better with the thumbnail. But for right now, y'all see I'm not worried about that. I'm showing up every day. I'm worried about how much work I'm willing to put in before I worry about how much work I'm gonna get out of it or how much results I'm gonna get out of it. You dig what I'm saying? I'm doing something different than I ain't did last year. I'm showing up for me every day, 60 days straight. Y'all don't see me trying to hang out with no friends, trying to go around here, trying to do this. Y'all don't see me the freshest. Y'all don't see me with no workout outfit, but I'm showing up every day. You know how many people stop me on a daily basis like, but what day we on? I see you on Facebook. You know how many people that see me every day and don't even speak, but I know they watching because my views going up, but I ain't getting that many likes, I ain't getting that many comments, but my DMs got hella questions. Hey man, I don't get mad, I don't judge nobody, to each his own. Everybody walking their own path. But my path right here to show y'all that no matter what you go through in life, you gotta pick you. No matter how far you is in the hole, you gotta pick you and you gotta be willing to climb out that hole every day. Every day rent due and what you willing to put in. How much work you willing to put in. Like I said in my last video, the Bible said a man that don't work don't eat. He ain't say a man that don't have a job. He ain't say a man that don't dick ride. He ain't say a man that don't support his friends. He said a man that don't work. So whatever your definition of work is, you gotta get off your ass and get to it. Ain't nobody gonna hand you out shit. I was handed out a whole lot of shit, but that's after 2-3 years of working out. That's just like being in entrepreneurship, being in business. Somebody may want to buy your business or give you a business loan after they seen your business do substantial numbers and being consistent for so long and go through all the hardships and you still here, you done paid your taxes and they've been riding past your brick and mortar building or they've been seeing you online consistent. Now they want to collab. Now they want to give you information that help them get over a certain hurdle that they see you going through, but you ain't never asked for help, so they're going to just lend you the information. But you got to be willing to put in that work at the beginning before anybody even start looking at you and be willing to help. You can't just start out by asking for help. Everybody need help. Everybody need help at different shit. Can you help yourself? Can you get off your ass and put that soda down, cut that TV off, pick you for once? Everybody didn't wake up this morning. If you woke up, that means you got a purpose. You got a mission to stick to. You got to stop denying yourself and get your ass out there and make it work, make it happen. I know you don't like your situation, but you still making excuses. How can you not like your situation, but you scared to take that leap? You got to have faith for the mustard seed. Faith of a mustard seed, that's all it takes. You got to pray to the Most High and have faith that it's already happening, whatever you pray for. You can't pray for it and in your heart, you doubt in the Most High like it ain't going to come through, like you're not worthy enough to get blessed, like you're not worthy enough to go level up to the next situation, to the next category. Hey, man, if you don't believe in you, it's going to be hard for the Most High to even want to put something in your life or give you that motivation, that willpower to go to the next step, because he know you already deny you. If you deny you, you're going to deny Christ. Come on, man, let's get this third set in, man. You know we out here working for us, on us, for us. You deal what I'm saying? It feel good, man. I'm telling you, it feel good. Finally picking yourself and you standing 10 toes to it. No matter what's going on around you, no matter how many friends still clubbing, how many friends still watching this, how many friends still dead strolling on social media. Hey, man, I'm the black sheep for real. I'm the black sheep of my family. I'm the black sheep of my partners. I'm the black sheep of, shit, my neighborhood, nigga. The fuck is you talking about? I ain't a neighborhood hero. I'm just the black sheep. Because I don't like doing what the crowd doing. Not saying I like to stand out, but the Most High, when he created me, he already knew what I was before I came onto the earth. You dig what I'm saying? He knew I was gonna be a black sheep. He knew I was gonna stand out amongst the best of them. You did. That's what I believe. I believe in me. Ain't nothing can stop me or make me not believe in me. I'm already started, so the only way I quit now and fail now if I quit. That's the only way if I fail, if I quit now. It's only two ways you can fail in life. If you start and then give up, or if you never get started. I'm already 60 days in. I'm already 60 days in. Minimum, that's 6,000 push-ups. How many push-ups have you did just for 2026? I'm not even gonna put that much pressure on you. How many push-ups you did just in February? You did what I'm saying? Have you picked you in February and you said you gonna do something in January, you ain't start, but now you in February, have you started? Nah, you still making excuses. You still looking at her like, damn, her ass fat. I can't wait to get my ass fat, but you don't want to get up. You looking at him like, damn, he got a six pack. I can't wait till I get buff. It's bulking season, but you don't even want to get up. You busy want to go get a membership when all you got to do is just squat and do some push-ups for free. So you ain't got to quit on yourself. You know you stay 2-3 miles away from the gym. You ain't going to want to show up every day. You can't even show up for free. Hey, man. Sometimes you need that friend to hold you accountable, to tell you full of shit, to tell you making the same mistakes, you going down the same path that you did last year. And that's not them judging you. If you want to say they judging you correctly, but that's not them judging you. They just looking at you based on your experiences from last year and saying, hold up, you doing the same shit you did last year. If you do the same shit, you're going to keep getting the same results. They call insanity. You're going to think you're going to do the same, but you're going to get different results. Now with trading and sports, man, you got to switch up while you're doing the same. You dig what I'm saying? You got to change up your strategy. You got to look at your risk management. You got to look at your mindset. Can you hold a drawdown? Can you lose 4-5 bets back to back and still manage your risk, manage your bankroll where you're not at zero? You ain't blow your account. You ain't got to make another deposit. You dig what I'm saying? So you ain't got to keep doing the exact same shit to expect something different. with certain things, but most of y'all doing that. Y'all keep running over here with the crowd, expecting this nigga to front you, or this female to like you, or somebody to share your post, or somebody to shout you out, and then when you don't get that shout out, you don't get that friend you think they're gonna share your post, you quit on yourself. You don't even want to keep going, because you don't feel like nobody feel like you doing what's right for you. Fuck what everybody feel like you doing. You gotta know what you doing is right for you, no matter how nobody else feel. Your family ain't gonna like it, your friends ain't gonna like it, they might even go against it, but you gotta have enough conviction and be like, I don't give a fuck if I lose all my friends. I don't care if all my family members cut me off. I believe this path is meant for me, and I'm gonna take each step day by day, one at a time, until I get to where I need to be. Let's go, man. We ain't stopping because he say or they say or she say. We ain't worried about the people on the sideline. They not even in the game. If we on the football field, on the basketball court, them people in the stands. They can yell and hate and speak and call me names, but they not even in the game. They say so don't even count. You did what I'm saying. Stop listening to everybody and listen to the inner you saying you got this. Just a little far longer, you got this. Just another rep, just another push. You got this. Just another week, another month, another year. You got this. Don't give up in 2026. You're going to hate that shit in 2027. You're going to be like, damn, if I would have just stayed focused. Damn, I just seen bruh start and now he over here. Damn. Stop damning yourself, man, and bless yourself. The Most High woke you up. You got a mission. Go fulfill it, man. Quick 100, man. Let's go, man. They 60 down, man. 100 push-up, man. Let's go, man. Let's go. You got to show up for you, man. I'm showing up for me no matter what. I don't care who I lose. I'm not even worried about what I gain, knowing I'm going to gain something and someone. You get what I'm saying? As I lose friends, I'm going to gain more friends, but in a better mindset, because I'm hanging around like-minded people. I ain't got to force you to try to understand what I'm saying, because you already doing what I'm doing. I ain't got to belittle my conversation to feel like, damn, if I say something about money, he going to feel like I'm trying to flex, because he ain't getting no money. I ain't got to feel like that because I'm hanging around like-minded people. I ain't got to feel like, let me not say nothing about stocks and Bitcoin and credit, because they not on the same thing I'm on. If I say something, they going to feel like I'm trying to put them down. No, I don't hang around small-minded people. If you ain't thinking big, I don't even hang around you. You did what I'm saying? If you're not even thinking on certain levels, I'm not hanging around you. And like I spoke on the mindset, now we're going to speak on your circle, the people you hang around. I've been speaking on that through the whole video, but that's the topic. You did what I'm saying? Audit your circle. Watch the people you hang around, because they carry a heavy influence on what you're going to do, how you going to do it, and why you doing it, because you listening to everybody else before you listening to the inner you. You did what I'm saying? They 60, man. We good, man. Let's go. 5 Navy SEAL burpees, 5 regular burpees. Over deliver. What you willing to do? Let's go.